Stop your hiccups instantly by drinking water upside down. It sounds bizarre, but this quirky trick can reset your diaphragm, the muscle responsible for those pesky hiccups. When you gulp water from an upside-down position, the unusual swallowing motion and altered breathing pattern work together to interrupt the diaphragm's spasms. It's like a gentle jolt to your system, effectively calming the involuntary contractions. Next time you find yourself battling the hiccups, grab a glass, bend forward, and take a sip from the far rim of the glass. This simple yet surprising method taps into the body's natural reflexes, offering a quick and effective solution that defies the usual remedies. Give it a try and watch your hiccups fade away in a matter of seconds.